Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Dita Eyeglasses model DRX-2064 in color code F. The color of the frame is black and rose gold. These glasses are also rectangular shape. Its temples are rose gold, and the temple tips are black. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its nose pads, you'll find the Dita emblem on both sides. On its inner right temple is the model name, that it's made in Japan, and on its inner left temple is the dimensions of the frame, the model number, the color code, the color of the frame, which is black and rose gold, and the Dita logo. The glasses also come with a Dita case, with a Dita logo on the case, a Dita cleaning cloth, a Dita booklet, and a Dita gift box. And inside is a Dita authenticity card, and this is the inside of the case. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.